I'm here at Cambridge Engineering this morning, and what a factory. My goodness, you can see in the background how big this factory is, and I may try and get you a little tour of some of the really cool machines. They've got some fantastically automated lasers and bending equipment, but my job here this week is to focus in that little blue room. We're in the welding cell where they make the burners, and it's going to be a 4-day Kaizen event. That's Marvin, Master Assembler. Hi, Marvin.
Hey!
Side we've got Master Welder, Miguel. Say hello, Miguel.
Greetings.
We'll give you the quick 2-second tour here. Parts come in on these racks, highly organized. The racks get brought into the welding cell. Once they're in the welding cell, Marvin can grab the parts as he needs them, rivet them together, and also does spot welding in this area. The burners then get passed through the curtain to the welder, and he actually welds in the burners. Once they get the burners all welded up, they actually test them right here in a water tank. I think we'll get a quick view of that. There it is, to make sure that every part has absolutely no leaks. The quality here is phenomenal. So that's the 2-second tour of the current state. Buzzer just went off and there seems to be a congregation of people. Can't wait to see what this is about. Bruce was nice enough to point me in the direction of a whiteboard, so we got some of the classroom stuff out of the way, which was actually a complete waste of time. This company is so lean, they knew everything that I said. I got through it all and they're like, yeah, that's old news. So that was awesome. We jumped right into shuffling some stuff around to create better flow.
Good morning, Cambridge.
How you doing? I'm Marvin. Our current state right now, our schedule dictates we're doing 12 units a day.
Yeah, like Marvin said, with this current setup we did, we've got more streamlined. 15 is a total possibility.
Well, I'll be the first one to admit that when Miguel said that they could do 15 units a day, I was thinking in the back of my head, you're crazy. But I didn't want to pop any balloons at the party. I thought with a cycle time of 46 to 50 minutes per unit, 3 units a day is pretty much a very, very aggressive target. But I kept my lips sealed, so off we went. All right, as you're watching this, notice, most important thing, everything is on wheels. Everything. It was amazing. We cut our time in 1/10 because everything was on wheels. Rule number 1, no monuments. And they got that dialed here at Cambridge. Are we getting anywhere?
You got his welders should be on that side of the table and go underneath. No leaves on the floor.
Are we getting anywhere, Miguel?
Yeah. I just got one more airline thing to hook up. I got airline.
Is it running?
Yeah.
Sweet, all right. 1 hour. We changed around the entire work area and we're back into production. Ready to rock.
Right on.
High fives, boys. So excited. Now, one of the other benefits to our mini Kaizen that we did here is we had Sven measure how much space we saved, and we saved 133 square feet in 400 square feet. So that's a 33% savings. I'm gonna ask the boss and find out if it's all right if we just put in a little dance floor. At the beginning of day 3, I got here about an hour and a half after the guys because they're machines. They start at 5 a.m. here. And I thought to myself, I'm so pumped. We got this thing set up. I just want to see it run and see if we can hit some of the targets we set. I got here and Miguel had already changed it all around again. So we're talking about the pinnacle of people who are accepting and willing to change and fix what bugs them. You're on.
All right, here we go. I'm going to show you a little process here at the burner area. This is our product that comes in from our sheet metal shop, our customer. And like before, when he built parts, he would take them off, put them here, then have to move somewhere else. And the walking was you wouldn't think as much, but it is quite a bit. Taking 2-3 steps is a great saving. Right now, he takes one step, picks it up, builds, takes another step, and comes in here and spot welds them on this table. And then he comes back in here and finishes it off. When he finishes it off and wants to give it to the welder, he just puts it over here. So you look at it, you know, not a lot of steps. Now you go to the welder, take his size, do his job. So all he has to do is walk, lay that for him when he's ready to go. Then he goes on to the next operation, is the manifold, does everything, waits for that unit to come in. Now remember, that unit comes with the unit to weld the manifold in and the next unit to build. So there's no walking over. So we all keep it tight, contained. Pretty much, it's a communication, but the communication is non-verbal. It just goes, the flow goes. So it's gonna work really well. As far as the welder goes, so the welder welds here. He goes here to the production table. He's got an operation here. Got an operation, he goes here and here. But notice the sweet spot. Notice the walking. 2 steps over here, 2 steps over here. Now when he's got to test the tank, he welds, turns around, throws it in. That's just turning around. Just test it, 1 step, test, finish, 1 step, bring it back on the welding table. Now before, probably have 4 or 5 steps per operation. So that's a significant amount of savings. It worked out good.
Miguel, we have history in the making over there. What's so special about that one?
Number 15, baby.
Yeah! It's moments just like this where I'm so glad I kept my big mouth shut about not getting 15 done. Boys, killed it.
What's special about this one is that this week, through collaboration, communication, and just, we worked it out. You know what I mean? Worked it out. We had a little bump, talked about it, and here we go.
Little side note here, for a company that is doing 2-second lean, surely we've all read Lean Health too, thanks Paul. Why are we giving away these at our morning meeting for right answers? Wanted to show you Bruce's office. He runs the plant. He's a highly organized guy, gotta like it. Stand-up desk, everything is on the wall, very visual, and oh my goodness. Oh, Bruce. That's it for me, couple of days, all said and done. Thanks Cambridge Engineering for having me. I truly feel blessed to have had the opportunity to come down here and work with all of your amazing people. I hope to see you again soon.